My name is Bernard Olaimi Michael, and this is my project demonstration how it works. So this is the API. I have two collections in my database. I have one, world famous leaders and their quotes, one, and the second one, current and potential president of some countries API. So now, okay, so now this is it. Get quotes down to delete quotes, get country down to delete country. So okay, I'll be starting with get quotes. So we try it out. I execute. So I have quotes inside. I have quotes inside. So going to post. I want to post new one because of time. So that works. So I'll be posting new one. So okay. Okay, try that. Sorry, just been working on this since last week. All right. So now name. So let me use my name. Bernard Michael. So let me say born September 20 and let me say 2000. Let me say 2000. So died. I'm just put that still living. So nationality, let me say Nigerian. Code, okay, do it now. Do not wait for another day. Alright, okay. Do it now. Do not wait for another day. So now, before I execute this, I want to show you something. I want to show you how the validator works. So if I should execute this, I'm going to get error. And why? There's a validated feed that says name is required. Are you getting me? So name is required. So if I return this, it's going to work. Now, there's another thing about this. If I should use the same born date, the date the person was given birth to, and the date the person died, if I should use the same, it's going to give me error saying that that date must be greater than the born date. There are some means, which means the person is either the person is living or the person is greater than the day he was born. So something like that. So if I should return this back to the way it was, okay. So now, so these two lines are also required. The only one that is option there is died. If I should initiate this now, it's going to create, because this one is optional. I didn't put must there. I didn't require it like that. So I only validated the dates. Should I say discrepancy? I don't know, length, something like that. So if I execute this, it's going to okay. Now our our data is created. Codes created successfully. So if I should do codes by ID, so and should do this, so I should be able to get it. So now we have it. We have a Bernard. So September. So now, so codes by ID. I want to update. So I want to update codes by hair. So now I try this out. So the same validator. The same validator. So I'll put this okay, instead of typing that again. Do this. Copy that. So now I want to put, if I should put the same date there again, like, oh, sorry. If I should put the same date there again, it's September 2000, or let me say 200. Let us say 200. Let me say 200. I'll get an error that says, oh, that date must be greater than born date. So which means I use so it must not be equals to the born date and it must not be lesser than the born date. So if I should put, let me say 3000 here, so it's going to create just to update it. So if I execute this now, so I should work. Okay, code updated successfully. So if I should click on this right now, so you're going to see that it's updated. So it's updated, and if I should go to the general get all, if I should go to general get all, you're going to see that it's there also. It's there also. Michael Bernard, so it's there also. So the last one is what is delete. So the last one is delete now. I want to delete Michael from the database from my collection. So now where's the ID? Okay, yeah. Alright, so delete. So now, so which means I can't delete any other thing except the ID. So in case I mistakenly put any ID. So now if I should just put 4 here right now, it's going to tell me codes not found. So now, so the right one, when I put the right one in it, so code deleted. So if I should get by ID here, so if I should execute this, quote enough fund. It's no more there. So go to general also. Go to general so and execute this. So Bernard is gone from the collection. So now that's that about um that's that about the first collection. So now the second collection, which is a country. So when I click on this, I execute this, I get all the data in it. So I get one thing about this right now is this is not part of it. I used it for a test. So I'm going to delete that because there's no country like Logan, there's no country there's no president Dakar, there's nothing like that. I just created that. So now when I was testing it, so I didn't remove that. So copy that. So let me delete that just to show that the delete works. That's a great way to start. So copy those. So when I execute this, now code deleted successfully. So when I go back here right now, so execute this, it's gone. It's gone. I was supposed to delete that before opening this. All right, so now it's gone. So everything is gone. So now I want to work with I want to work with I want to create, yes, I want to create a new country and continent. And so now let's do that again. Let us say, is there a country like Poland? Let us say Poland. I don't know. I don't know the continent Poland is, but I don't know. But I will choose Europe. I will choose Europe. I hope I'm right. So their current I don't think they use president there, but let me just put a name. Let me just put a name. Let me just say Co- Copoland, let me just say Copoland, let me say the potential president, let me just say Bopoland, so something like that. So now, one thing about this also is all these feeds are required. You understand me? All these feeds are required. So if I if I if I if I if I if I delete all this right now, if I delete all this right now, so now I execute this. So you get so now so country name is required, continent name is required, current president name is required. All the feeds are required. That's the way we can know. That's the only way the collection can make sense. It's different from the first one. So now I put this right now. I execute this. So now we get a message: data created successfully, and so we have the ID. So copy the ID. So let's work with get country by ID. Get country by ID. So the same validation. Also, I put another thing there tells me, bro, no, no, no. So can you see? If I just make invalid one, say no, invalid code ID format. So I need to use the right one. You understand me? That was what I'm supposed to put up there in the code also. So when I just put anything, when I put E also, I execute again, we still get invalid code ID. So I put the right one right now. So as I put the right one right now, so now we get it. We get Poland, we get Europe, we get Copoland, and if you check the general get all data. So you're gonna see the Poland. Yeah, Poland is there. So we have we want to update our Poland. So we want to update Poland. So so want to update Poland. You want to change it? Oh, want to change it? Like no, that's not. Oh, um that's not the president's name, and that's not the potential president's name. So the president's name is Go Poland. Let me put it that way. And okay, let us say the potential president's name is Mo Poland. So now, so we update this. So now data updated successfully. So we check it by ID again. We execute this by ID. So it's in. So we now have Go Poland and Mo Poland. So now which other parts? Okay, the delete one, the delete part. So now, so we want to delete it. So if you look at it from the general get all data, it's there before I delete it. So it's there. So look at it. So Go Poland, Mo Poland. So now I want to go and delete it from the database. I want to go and delete it from the database. So now, where's it? Okay. All right. So delete this. All right. Should be giving me not quote anyway. Not quote. Should give me data deleted. Anyway, it's deleted from the database. Deleted from the database. So what's that? Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Where's the general? Okay, I'm looking for the general. All right, so execute. So no more go Poland, no more Poland. You understand me? So if you check by ID also, it's going to give you nothing like that. No quote not found, quote not found. So that's that about the APIs, my projects, and okay. So I'm just trying to close that. I'm just trying to close that. No, I'm not opening you. All right. So that's that about my project. So checking my source code and that's it. Okay, yeah. So checking my source code. Okay. Um, I need to update this. I need to. I need to update this. I need to update this. Okay. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? This is sorry. I need to update this. I need to update this. Okay. It should be data deleted successfully. Data deleted successfully and data data not found. Data not found. Data deleted successfully and data not found. So I've corrected that. Uh, okay. Okay. Updating. Updating. Just updating. Put it down. All right. So now, so why that is working? So this is my response. This is for the codes. This is for the codes, create codes, and this is for the deleted for the country. So this is the route that holds everything. This is this is my Swagger JS. This is my user. So everything is there. So it works perfectly. Swagger, Jackson, everything is there. So thank you very much. I really appreciate.